1. Adjust the leg extension machine according to your height and comfort. Sit on the machine and position your legs under the padded lever. 2. Adjust the seat so that your knees are aligned with the axis of rotation of the machine and your lower legs are parallel to the floor. 3. Place your hands on the side handles of the machine for stability. 4. Engage your core, maintain an upright posture, and keep your back against the backrest throughout the exercise. 5. Inhale and begin the movement by extending your legs and pushing against the padded lever, lifting the weight as you straighten your knees. 6. Exhale and pause momentarily at the top of the movement when your legs are fully extended, feeling the contraction in your quadriceps muscles. 7. Keep your upper body stable and avoid using momentum to lift the weight. 8. Slowly lower the weight back down to the starting position, bending your knees and allowing the padded lever to return to the starting position. 9. Repeat the leg extension for the desired number of repetitions, maintaining proper form and control. 10. Once you have completed your set, carefully release the weight and dismount the machine.